guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I decided that I would create my first Christmas look. It's kind of like the trend going around on Instagram right now with the whole Christmas light eye look. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. I've got a little surprise going on in this video, a little giveaway, so make sure you continue watching. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. I just want to start the video by saying I will be using the brand new Morphe and James Charles Artistry palette. I am so excited to be using this, honestly. It is a beautiful palette. I've already been swatching it and having some fun with it. I love that it's sleek. It's so pretty. And it's huge. Check out that palette. It is huge, okay? I will be doing a giveaway on this palette, so I have an extra one to give away. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet for people to enter the giveaway. I'll probably announce it. I'll have to think about it, and then I'll announce it like at the end of the video. So keep watching if you want to see how you can enter the giveaway for the Morphe and James Charles palette. Also, I have done my eyebrows off of camera. I'm trying to let them grow back in so I can just reshape them. So they're a little bit wonky right now, so I just prefer to do them off of camera, have them like this. Okay, we might as well get started on our eye look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super stoked for Christmas. I absolutely love the Christmas season. It is so fun. I love Christmas. Anyway, sorry. We're gonna start with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. So taking this huge palette, oh my god. I'm using a Morphe R40 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Punch Me. With a Royal and Nickel Omnia Bomb 40 shader brush, I'm gonna go into 10% off. Taking a detailing brush and concealer. Today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light. I am going to cut out my crease. Taking a Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to go into the color Flashback, and I'm going to set the concealer with that color. Taking some liner. Today I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. I'm going to trace that line very freaking carefully. I'm going to mess this up, I already know. So now that I'm done the liner, I'm just going to take the liner again. I'm just going to create a little mark where I want the 8 light bulbs to go. So taking a Morphe G19 brush, I'm going to go into You're Kidding and apply that to the first and the 5th little line that I made, just creating a circular shape. With the same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm going to go into B and apply that to the 2nd and the 6th line. So just wiping it off again, I'm going to go into the color Daddy. And I'm going to apply this to the 3rd and the 7th line. I just wiped it off again. I'm going to go into the color Playground. And I'm going to apply that to the 4th and the 8th line. Using a white liner, today I'm using the NYX White Liquid Liner. I am going to just go right into the eyeshadow that I applied to sort of create like a light bulb. going to take the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Envy. And I'm going to create a wing liner with this. Taking some mascara. Today I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And I'm applying this to my top lashes. And today for lashes, I am going to use the Azeredo lashes. I am an affiliate with them, so if you want to save some money on a pair of lashes, you can get 10% off using code JCastro10 on their website. I will link everything down in the description box below. For this whole set, I paid $45. That's not bad, right? So today I'm going to use Irresistible, which is the second set of lashes. I'm going to apply these off of camera as well as finish my face and my other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back and I've completed my face and the other eye. I'm just going to finish this eye and my lips, and then we're done. With a Royal and Nickel Omnia Balm 40 shader brush, I'm gonna go into You're Kidding and apply that to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Kohl liner, and it's just the green liner. I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. I'm just gonna jump back into Daddy and set that waterline. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lucious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara, and I'm gonna use that for the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner of the eye. So I'm gonna be taking a Morphe M168 brush and jumping into face. Okay, so the eyes are done. The last step is to just do our lip, and I think today we're going bold red. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. Next, we're just going to set the face, and I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix setting spray. Alright guys, this completes my first Christmas look. So I know you want to know about the James Charles and Morphe giveaway, so let's see. I record on Friday, I post, I edit, and then I post on the Thursday. So this will be going up on the 6th. I'm going to make the giveaway about a week long, so I'll let people enter until the 13th, which is the following Thursday, and then I will announce the winner on December 14th. So to win this baby, I have decided that you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you need to be following my Instagram account, and I'm going to write it somewhere on this screen. And if you want an extra entry, go onto my Instagram post and tag 2 friends in the comments when you see this picture. That completes my first Christmas look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to win this, you gotta subscribe anyways. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, bear hair in my mouth. Bear. Do you see him? Why do you shed so much? Are you sleeping? I'm sorry. Go to bed. That's gross. Just don't burp. Oh god, tastes like hot dogs. Mark where I want the I think I'm going to use Irresistible, which is the second shade.